This is HANA edge meter. This meter can be used to measure pH, electrical conductivity and dissolved oxygen by simply changing the sensor to the meter. Along with this meter, you get standard buffer solutions for 4, 10 and 7. You also get cleaning solutions for the electrode. You get the adapter to charge the meter. You get this USB cord to transfer the saved data from the meter to the PC. You get certificates for the meter, for the electrode as well. You get a manual for the detailed instructions to use the meter. On the backhand side of the meter, there is a thin plastic covering. We can unfold it to almost half of the meter. Fix the meter well to the stand. Attach the electrode from the base of the meter. On the upper edge of the meter, you have a switch on and off button. You have a channel to connect to the PC. You have a channel to connect to the adapter for charging the meter. This is the main screen for the meter. This is the pH measurement. This is the temperature. This is the condition of your probe. This is the response time of the probe. You have 8 operating keys. The cal or modify button is used while calibration of the meter. The GLP or confirm button is either to confirm a setting in the meter or to know the GLP, which stands for good lab practices, which will also give a detailed condition about your probe and the meter as well as for the solutions. You have your range button. The range button is used to switch between 2 modes. Since it's the pH electrode which is being attached to the meter, you have only your pH and millivolt mode currently being available. You have 2 navigation keys. You have your log button. Your log button is to save data to the meter. The recall button is to retrieve the saved data in the meter. We would now calibrate the meter for pH. We would switch on to the calibration button. It is now asking for pH 7.01. We'll dip the electrode into the electrode is now dipped into pH 7.01 buffer solution. It is recommended to activate the pH electrode in pH 4 solution for 5 to 10 minutes before calibrating the meter. Once the CFM signal is blinked on the meter, press the confirm button, which is just below the calibration button. Now the meter is asking to use pH 4.01. Rinse the electrode in distilled water and now immerse it in pH 4 buffer. You can again confirm the reading. Now it is asking for 10.01. If you wish to calibrate the meter for 10.01, you can again immerse the electrode into 10.01.
Of the meter after calibration, it is showing the probe condition, which is 100%. It is showing the response of the meter along with the probe, which is again 100%. Here you have your offset value, which should be plus or minus 10 MV, and your slope percentage should be around 90 to 100%. Now we can directly take the sample readings. Thank you.